guys, welcome back. Here's one I haven't played for quite some time. Kraken Extreme Arctic Quest. That grand may have gone off recently. So I believe it's 3 of these compass or 6 pieces of timber. And the old Bundy bear is wild. The gold wood. That would be nice. Anything would be nice. No, we'll leave that there. We'll get off 10 cents and we'll go to 2 cents. No, let's go $3, eh? Terrible when a $3.60 line hits your biggest win. Now this could be nice. One more. Too late, Mr. Respin. Look, take win. I'm going to collect that and go and play something else just because I don't want to get stuck with that, anything on the screen. I've come to Old Faithful. Let's see what he wants to do for us today. Give me a sec. All right. $8. 12. Oh, there we go. That could be 20 or 30 bucks. 36. We're hanging in there without a bonus, which is good. It's a good sign. Speak of the devil. Come on, land it. $90. Not bad, not bad. Alright, that stopped. Let's go to 2 cents. $3. I apologise for the movement. It is a Saturday, so no tripod. I've actually been coming here a little bit on the weekends lately. Enjoying the CCs. Bit of food. try our luck on 5 cents. Nothing. All right.
Just it.
Oh, is it going to be a case of that one bonus and I should have rung? Certainly looks like it, doesn't it? Nothing. Oh, we've only got a couple of spins left. One more at $4. Nothing? Alright, one more machine. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, last machine, Bengal Treasures. Let's start on 10 cents, hey? 250. I am going to have to stop in a minute. I have pushed the drink button. Aha, drink has been ordered. That's very unfortunate. $10 for the Cobras. $7.50 for kings. I was going to change, but it's giving me bonus is coming vibes. Come on, 3. Lot of elephants there. $9 worth. Oh, maybe it was a bad idea to stay on 10 cents, but wow. I don't think today is my day. $13. Oh. I do that fairly regularly, speak too soon, but we've got 10 free spins maybe, or 8. Yeah, first spin, no doors. Oh, maybe it was a good idea to stay on 10 cents. Oh, 25. Save it. Save it. Thank you. No. $77.50. Not bad. Oh, it was our first spin. Elephants. Oh, tigers. I'm going to bend down to get my drink. Hang on. Oh. Cheers. Halfway through and we've got about $115. Can we get the rubies again? Rubies! No. Bugger. Last one. Rubies. Ruby. Yeah. Thank you. Alright. Oh, I nearly dropped the drink. That's no good. Mini miner. I saw that major flying around. $180, not bad. We shall continue on. Oh. Alright, while this is counting, I'll get my drink. Oh, there we go. Drink acquired. Let's go again. First spin again. Oh, maybe I should leave my drink on the ground. That was a delightful first spin. Peacocks. Hurrah! Oh, probably anything but poker face cards would have been good. Tiger, tiger, tiger. One more. Oh no. Last spin. Oh, $100. I think we might leave with $250 now. Unless we can manage to hit the 300. Look, it's still giving me, I'm going to give you a bonus 5. No, look, for the sake of my wallet life, collect. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. What did we start on? Kraken Extreme, Golden Century, Bengal Treasures. Pardon me, nearly got our money back, which is fine. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it around, and I'll see you tomorrow with another one.